Okay guys, this is lesson 2 of Unit 1 of World War II. This one we're going to be talking about the countries of the war. The first thing you have to do is you have to read this article in order to do the lesson. And this article is available for on the written lesson plan on my website. So you have to go to that in order to read it. And in this article, you're going to be reading about those countries I have listed, the USA, Japan, Germany, Great Britain, France, and Italy. For this lesson, you're going to do a graphic organizer. You can do any type of graphic organizer. It does not matter to me which kind you do. You'll have to print out the graphic organizer and write it neatly so I can read it, please. That would be very nice. You can scan the picture. You can scan it or take a picture of it. Whatever you got to do to get it on your email, then send it to me. And that's it. I want to take you now to, I'm just going to take you to Google now and show you some graphic organizers that would be good to use. Just type in graphic organizer, it should pop up right there. Go to images. Most of these you should be able to print out. It does not matter to me which one you use. You can use this one, this one. Stick with events is a really good one. And if you go down a little bit here, you can do this one of World War II. Then you can do all the countries in here. The same one. No, that one. This one will probably be the best one for you guys to use. Event diagram. Don't use a Venn diagram. That would not be good to use. Do not use a KWO chart. In fact, probably just use this one right here. That would be really good for you guys to do. And like I said before, that link is on the website. If you have any questions, just email me. Hope you guys have fun doing this lesson.